So we'll come through here like this. All right. Try to eliminate the stair by putting the walkway kind of like this high, you know, on top of this, or we do the dig there, you know what I mean? Gravel. Okay, coming around, curving in, curving out, and then the walkway is going to go a little bit over to where the deck's going to be. Okay? And that. Then we're going to take this post out, that post out, this post out. Hopefully we have a square post. So now they're going to be able to use this as an area. Okay? Then we're going to take this here. You see here where the eavesdrop is? We're going to take about one full section away. So we're going to pull this back to here. Okay, as for the deck we're going to take down. Alright. Do a landing in front of the stair like you would normally do. And then we'll make one step system down. Okay. So this is how high the landing is from here to here. Okay, and then a step, and that'll bring the deck roughly this high. Okay?
Oh, so 2 rises.
Yeah. The landing plus a step. Here. Now, what I was thinking about is that we'll do the dig for the patio, and we may pull up the front, we may pull up the sidewalk and put it here. Right? You hear what I'm saying? And then put gravel and then tamp it with a whacker. Or what we may do is leave the sidewalk, go on top of it there. But either way, we're going on top of bricks over the whole porch patio here. And then we have this extension area here. But this is all based off of the height that the deck's going to be. That'll be sharp for sure. It'll change the whole feel of the back. They're going to look right through. And now they see all these posts and the eaves trough and all this ugliness, right? It's going to be really nice into the backyard. So I'm quite happy with that. So then we have great access here to do work. So looking forward to seeing it.
Beautiful dreams to life.